I'm here in Austin Heights where you've got everything you need in modern life for convenience right at your doorstep. We've got a brand new building by Beedie called West where we've got a one-bedroom unit for sale. I'm Elliot Chun at the Partners. Let me show you inside. Check out these amazing views here, 180 degrees at unit 1709. You come inside, you've got one bedroom plus a great flex space and modern comforts like air conditioning. You're gonna love what the building has to offer. Not only is it a great location in Austin Heights, but you've got your own party room, gym, and even your own guest suite.